Good morning, children. Saira. Let us see another example of unseen passage in composition subject. Now we'll understand what is an unseen passage first. An unseen passage means a complete and detailed understanding of the passage. So you have to read the passage slowly and carefully to understand the meaning of the given passage. The main purpose is to test one's ability to grasp the meaning of the given passage. Yes, what is the main purpose? That if you read the passage slowly and carefully, how much have you understood from the given passage? That is the main purpose of the unseen passage. Understanding of the passage helps to answer the questions asked on the given passage. Every passage has questions below, and those questions, if you want to find the answers to the given questions, you have to read the passage carefully, and once you understand the meaning of the passage, it will be very easy for you to solve the questions based on the given passage. Now, what are the simple tips which you have to follow? First one, read the passage slowly and carefully. Yes, children, whenever you read the passage, that is why I am telling you 10 times that go slowly while reading the passage and read carefully with concentration. Understand the meaning of each sentence in the passage. If you read slowly, go sentence by sentence, and then you will understand the meaning of each sentence in the given passage. Now, this is the question which will be given to you in this form. Read the following passage and answer the questions given below. So, I am reading out the passage. Holi is the festival of colors. We all like Holi. We enjoy playing Holi, and it is called as the festival of colors. It is one of the biggest festivals in our country, which comes every year during March. So when Holi comes, it comes in the month of March, okay? And it is one of the biggest festivals in our country. Children, adults, and even the elder citizens like small children, your mom, dad, your uncle, aunt, and even grandparents, they all take part in Holi with fun and excitement, and they all play Holi, yes or no? In the fun and preparations of Holi. So we all, from small children to elders, we all, when Holi arrives, we all be busy in the preparation of Holi in our own way. People from all religions play Holi by exchanging sweets, gujia, thandai, and splashing colors on each other. So what is the main, what things we do in Holi? We exchange sweets, okay? Gujia is a kind of a dish which is made during Holi, okay? Thandai, okay? And splashing, we play with colors. So these are the important things which is done during Holi. Water guns and water balloons are also used by children during the festival. This is the main thing which children want. They want the water guns and they want the water balloons to throw on others and to splash water and colors on others. So this is the main and important thing which children like to do during this festival of Holi. This is a time to share love and happiness with our friends and family. So Holi festival main purpose is to share love, time and happiness with our friends and family. People should always remember to use natural colors to keep themselves and their family healthy and safe during Holi. Very, very important. People should remember, what they should remember, that make use of natural colors. Do not use artificial and chemical colors which may harm your skin, okay? So always use natural and the best quality colors so that you keep your friends and families protected and safe during Holi. A very important message. Now let us look at the questions. Have you understood what is the passage about? It is about Holi festival. Now first question. Complete the sentence. Okay, now let us see what is the sentence. Holi is the festival dash. We all know the answer even without looking at the passage. So Holi is the festival of colors. Okay. Who takes part? Second question is, who takes part in the preparation of Holi? Now who takes part in the preparation of Holi? It is in the first para itself. Children, adults, and even the elder citizens take part in the fun and preparation of Holi. So you have to just copy the sentence as it is in the passage. So children, adults and even the elder citizens, they take part in the fun and preparations of Holi. Question number 3. How do people celebrate Holi? Now how do people celebrate Holi? People celebrate Holi by exchanging sweets, gujia, thandai and splashing colors on each other. Now this is also only the beginning of the sentence you have to write from the question. Rest everything is given in the passage which you have to copy as it is. Okay. Give the opposite of the word artificial from the passage. So what is the word, opposite word of artificial which is given or which is hidden in the passage? And the answer is natural. Okay, artificial, natural. Okay. And the last question is, what should people remember while playing Holi? Very important one, the message which I read it to you 2 times. People should always remember to use natural colors to keep themselves and their family healthy and safe during Holi. So even we are going to celebrate Holi in a short period of time. So remember this thing which I told you, that use natural colors which will not harm your skin and which will not harm your family and friends, so that you can celebrate Holi in a safe and in a happy way. Okay, instead of spoiling something, you can celebrate it in a happy and in a safe way by using natural colors. And don't use colors on eyes and nose, ears. So use colors on hand. You can put it on your hand, little bit on cheeks, but don't over color it by putting in the eyes and nose and ears and even mouth. It is very dangerous. Okay, or simple, you can play with water, but don't waste also water much. You should not waste water. So play with dry colors which are naturally made, which are not chemically and artificially made. Okay, so remember one thing which I told you. So children, have you understood how to solve an unseen passage? As homework, I want you all to solve the same passage and with the same questions, but don't look at the answer. You write it on your own and then you can check from this. Okay, but solve the same passage. Okay, thank you children for listening to me carefully. Goodbye, take care.